Hi, I'm Kev from 24/7 Blinds, and in this video we're going to take a look at everything you need to know to fit your brand new blinds. Now that you've received your blinds, it's time for the fun part. 24/7 Blinds include all of the mounting brackets and safety devices with every blind they sell. It will be up to you to provide screws and raw plugs that are suitable for the surface you're attaching your blind to. So once we've unpacked everything, then we're ready for the installation. But before we can get started, there are a few tools that you're going to need to have available. To fit your blind, you may need a drill with an appropriate drill bit, a metal tape measure, a Phillips or crosshead screwdriver, and a pencil. And as usual in this video, we'll be referring to all measurements in centimetres. All of our blinds come with full fitting instructions, but if like me you'd rather watch someone showing you how to do it on a video, then 24/7 Blinds have got you covered. Pop over to our YouTube channel and there you'll find step-by-step examples of me fitting every style of blind that we have available. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alternatively, in the description below you can find links to each blind product page. Once you select the blind you want, there are measuring and fitting videos right there on the page, so you'll look like you know exactly what you're doing straight away. And finally, once you have your new blind installed, please remember to fit the child safety device to any control cords or cables. This is a really important piece to remember. We don't want to allow these cords or cables to be flapping around loose in the window recess for young kids to grab. And that's it. In no time at all, you have a beautiful blind fitted to your window like this one. And don't forget that now that the brackets are in place, you can very easily and inexpensively swap this one for a different colour or style to suit your mood at different times of year. Click one of the links below to take a look through our huge range of colours, designs and styles to make your room look fabulous. And remember, we're always creating new styles, blinds and window options, so don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.